Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry using an easy method. First, grasp the basics of atomic structure and chemical bonding. Then, pay close attention to periodic trends and the unique properties of different elements. Finally, familiarize yourself with common inorganic compounds and their vital roles in medicine. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building a strong understanding of the subject. To make your study more effective, try creating visual aids like flashcards for formulas and diagrams for complex structures. Consistent practice with naming conventions and writing chemical formulas will solidify your understanding. Don't forget to tackle plenty of practice problems and review past examination questions. This helps you identify common question types and reinforces your learning. Focus your efforts on key areas. Prioritize understanding the essential elements and their specific functions within pharmaceuticals. Delve into the mechanisms of action for various inorganic drugs to see how they work in the body. Also, it's important to grasp quality control tests and the acceptable impurity limits, which are critical for drug safety and efficacy in the pharmaceutical industry. For long-term retention, regular review of all material is absolutely essential. Consider forming study groups with peers. Discussing challenging topics can offer new perspectives and clarify doubts. Finally, try to apply the concepts you learn to real-world pharmaceutical examples. This practical application helps solidify your understanding and makes the information much more memorable and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.